Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Leo. This is going to be a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So only take what resonates, leave the rest. So let's get into your reading, Leo, and let's see, how do you think and feel about your person? How does your person think and feel about you? And stick around till the end of the video, because in the end I'm going to look at this person's future action towards you and the outcome of this relationship. What is the overall energy for you? Overall energy for this person. So Leo, what I see here is the Six of Pentacles on your side. An imbalance that I see. Okay, you could be giving too much or investing a lot of energy, effort towards this person, this relationship, but you're not getting a reciprocal energy. This person is not either reciprocating enough or they are not reciprocating at all. So there is an imbalance that I see here. Page of Swords is for this person's side. This is an energy of this person kind of this is a person who's very curious. Okay, they are somebody who is this is somebody who's very guarded as well. Page of Swords, somebody who's very not very experienced when it comes to relationships, maybe. So they are not always sure how to behave in a relationship. Like, they are always like they need to be told. Okay, so you have to like tell them, like, listen, this is not appropriate behavior, or this is how you're supposed to respond. So I see that kind of an energy with this person, the Page of Swords. But they're very curious about you. They could also be spying on you. They could also be keeping an eye out on you on your socials, like checking you out. But they don't express as much. They are curious, but they don't kind of reveal their true feelings. Now you have the Five of Cups here, where you feel like this is a missed opportunity. You feel this is not working out. You feel you miss that kind of love, that passion in your life, but somewhere you feel this is not going the way you expected it to. They have the Chariot, so this person is planning to come towards you. There's an energy of wanting to rush towards you, express themselves, open up to you. The Chariot is Cancer energy, so somewhere this person is realizing that you're pulling back. You have the Queen of Wands. This is an energy of someone who is very passionate, who is very self-confident, somebody who has a lot of options. So I see it's not like you're desperate for this person or this relationship. You're somebody who, there's a lot of admiration about the way you conduct yourself, and I see you kind of maintaining that energy, that grace around you. This person has a Three of Cups, so they are excited to come towards you. They are either asking you out on a date, or they want to be with you, they want a relationship with you. You could be spending a lot of time together. So there is a renewal that I see here. Judgment. You're changing your perspective about this person. You're releasing the past judgment, and there's something new coming here. With the Queen of Swords on this person's side, they're coming towards you with a lot of truth and clarity, but this is also somebody who is very straightforward. So again, they're going back into that very practical energy. Okay, with the Queen of Swords. Could also be that this person is already divorced, or maybe they're separated from someone and they are letting you know, or they don't want to create any confusion, so they are kind of revealing things to you before things before just to avoid misunderstanding or miscommunication. Why is the Six of Pentacles here for you? King of Swords. So there is a lot of mental compatibility, but again, like I said, you feel that this person is not opening up. This person makes you very happy. The Sun is Leo energy, that's your energy. Why is the Page of Swords here? Now there's communication between the two of you. Again, like I said, this person could be spying on you on your social media. you feel that this may be a lost chapter. You feel like this is, maybe it's time to move forward, move on, because this person is not reciprocating the way you want them to. But this person is coming towards you with a lot of love, with a lot of, they're coming to open up to you. Now I see a lot of queens here: Queen of Cups, Queen of Swords. So there is a lot of, there's an exchange of emotions. There is a, there you are both telling each other how you feel. There's love here. There's equal give and take. So whatever imbalances are being balanced out. Three of Cups here with the Moon. This person may be hiding something from you. What are they hiding? Ace of Cups. Again, I feel they're hiding their feelings. They're not really being completely honest with you about how they feel about you. Judgment. I see a lot of passion here. So there is a new beginning. There is a lot of passionate. There is a passionate new beginning here. A lot of excitement. Why is the Queen of Swords here for this person? They are wondering what to do, because again I feel it's possible that this person has just gotten divorced, or maybe they are separated from somebody and they are like in two minds whether they should wait, they should move on. They are excited about you, but at the same time they don't want to rush in. So what is the action this person is going to take? King of Pentacles. They are going to be very mature here while dealing with you. I think they're going to take their time. They have a lot of fear about a new relationship. Like, although they have love for you, they don't want to lose you. Okay, so they're being very careful. Outcome is a Three of Swords. Why is the Three of Swords the outcome? Ace of Pentacles. Why is the Ace of Pentacles here with the Three of Swords? Somebody here is being rejected. Okay, now that is an anticlimax after all of this. Maybe Leo, you don't see this person as somebody you can have a long-term relationship with. Okay, because I see Ace of Wands here, but the Ace of Cups is on their side. So maybe you kind of feel this is not what you're looking for, or this is not what you want, or you don't see a long-term potential here. Yes, there is a lot of passion, and you don't mind trying a relationship out to see where it goes. But I feel if this person is trying to rush you, you may just turn them down. Okay, you don't want to rush, or you don't want maybe a serious relationship. You want to keep it open, casual, and that's completely your decision, your choice. I just want to take some romance angel cards here to see what messages we have. Trust. The situation is calling for you to have faith. Deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. And the last card here is healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So some of you are, you don't believe in the concept of a long-term relationship. You don't believe in the concept of marriage maybe, and to each his own. But I feel there is some kind of rejection here. Okay, either you rejecting them rejecting you. Take how it resonates, but this is what I have for you. I hope this helps, resonates with you. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel, and I'm available for a personal reading if you wish to book. You can reach out to me on my email ID or my website. All details are on the screen in the description box. Check it out, and do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care.